Hey traders, Michael here from Lux Trading, connected with Elite Traders University. Now just going over a trade that I took today on Monday, first day of the week. Now I took it again on pound dollar, and as you can see on the 4-hour chart we had a really strong downtrend, and we got sort of a pullback here. You could probably put a fib retracement. We didn't quite get through the retracement, but we had a pullback in the middle of a strong downtrend. And so what I noticed is that we came up to a very psychological number, which is the 1.3000 number. Now these, like 1.4, 1.5, 1.2, these whole numbers are very, very powerful. And a lot of big institutions will actually trade off these numbers. You can see that that same price was respected back here when we first made a drop. We broke out, retested it, and then if you look on a 30-minute time frame, you can see that we tried a number of times here, 2, 3, to actually break through that level, but we couldn't, and then we dropped away. And so as we opened up on Monday morning, I was actually looking to get short in this region here and actually sell down for the day, and so that's exactly what I did. And I have a number of edges to actually get into this trade, and I use one of the edges that I use every single day actually. And sure enough, we had an amazing trade, and like I said, I took a number of positions at 14 pips, and then I held on for 160 pips for 3 positions, and as you can see, sold the high of the day and I bought back the low of the day. And if we look at my history, there we are there. So 13 pips, first 3 trades were taken out for break even, and the last 3 positions were held for 160, totaling over 500 pips in one day. So amazing start to the week. And like I said, if you can understand how to read market structure, then what that does is that allows you to read where the trend is going next. So I could see that we had a clear reversal pattern at the top here, and it was in the context of a very, very strong downtrend on the higher time frame. And because of that, I knew that we were going to get a move lower. Now I also have an incredible edge in order to actually get into that trade, which allowed me to get into profit very, very quickly and into a break-even position. So I was not, there was no way I was going to lose in that trade once I took out my first 3 positions. And so this is what we teach you to do at the university, to understand market structure. This is just one way of looking at how the market works. And this is what we can teach you to identify where we are in the market structure, and then identify the edge that you need, the best edge for that day. In opportunities to add to the position, I could have added in here. I also could have added in here. However, I'm based in New Zealand, and so for this whole time I was asleep, and I let my money work for me. And so this is how we teach you to trade at the university. If you're interested, hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to talk about what we offer in our courses, then contact me on the link below. I'd love to chat with you and talk about your trading journey and how we can help you going forward. Okay, traders, have an amazing week, and I'll see you again next week.